you were too late. I'm going home.
I can feel it. And I look at you and I'm home.
Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to leave a big thumbs up on this video because I spent a ton of time on this video and I would just really appreciate it. And I know there are some of you that are new here to my channel, so make sure to subscribe. And also comment down below what outfit was your favorite. And who's your favorite Disney princess? Personally, my favorite outfit had to be the Ariel one because I love Ariel so much. She's so pretty. And she's a mermaid, of course. And I definitely really liked how it turned out on Animal Jam. But yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you so much, and bye!